Hello everyone, this is Zheng from JC Chinese, and in this video we will continue to learn 2 new Chinese characters regarding orientation, 里 inside and 外 outside. Now this is a box and this mark pen is 在这个盒子的外面 outside of this box, and now 在它的里面 inside of this box. Okay, let's take a look at these 2 Chinese characters. 里 inside, 外 outside. Next, let's write those 2 characters together.
The first character we are going to write today is 里. It means inside. Now pay attention to the stroke order. 里, the first stroke is a vertical stroke, and a horizontal stroke with a downward turn and a hook, and a horizontal stroke, and another horizontal stroke, and then a vertical stroke, and one last horizontal stroke. So there are in total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 strokes. And its pinyin is 了以里. I'm going to use right pen to write down its initial 了, and its final is 一, and it's a falling rising tone 了以里. I'm going to write it again. You can write it with me. 里. Pay attention to the stroke order. 里. Li, it means inside. And this character is a single structure character. This whole character is one single structure. Next character we are going to write here is 外. It means outside. Now pay attention to the stroke order. The first stroke is a downward left stroke, and a horizontal stroke with a downward turn to the left, and then a dot, and a horizontal stroke, and a dot. 外, and this character has in total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strokes. And its pinyin is 无爱, 外. Its initial here is 无, and its final is I, and its falling tone. 无爱, 外. I'm going to write this character again. You can write it with me. 外. Why means outside. And this character is a left-right structure character. And this part here is this character's left part. And this part here is this character's right part. 里 inside, 外 outside. Next, let's use those two characters to form some vocabularies. So, the first vocabulary we are going to learn is 里面。里面 It means inside, right? Inside. 她在里面 She is inside. She is inside of the room. 她在里面 The pinyin is 了一里抹一按面里面 And the next one 外面外面 Exactly is outside. 他在外面玩 He's playing outside. 外面 And his pinyin is 外抹一按面外面里面外面 Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe below. Thanks again. 感谢观看。